Hello friends, welcome to Education Hub. So friends, in our today's video session, we are going to discuss about First War of Independence. So please watch the video till last, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let us begin. British conquest of India and British rule was accompanied by resentment among the Indians. They were satisfied by the way Britishers treated them. Thus, year after year till 1857, some or the other part of the country rise or revolted against the British domination of India. Thus, however, these rebellions were local, scattered, and isolated, so they did not pose a serious challenge to British. But these revolts established a local tradition of struggle against the foreign rule. And thus, the First War of Independence in 1857, or it is also known as Revolt of 1857, millions of peasants, artisans, soldiers participated. It almost shook the British government to its very foundation. सो फ्रेंड्स, रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 को फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस भी कहा जाता है, बट एक्चुअली इट वाज नॉट द फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. 1757 to 1857 देयर वर मैनी वॉर्स बिटवीन रीजनल किंगडम्स एंड ब्रिटिशर्स, बट दोज वर नॉट एट मास लेवल, एट कंट्री लेवल और एट नेशन लेवल. बट 1857 का जो रिवोल्ट था वो नेशन वाइज और नेशन के लेवल पे हुआ था. वो Indians were not satisfied and happy with the British domination of India. Thus, they revolted against British domination, and millions of artisans, peasants, and soldiers participated in that. Now, let us move on to the causes of the First War of Independence. These are the main reasons why Indians revolted against the British domination and why they were dissatisfied by British rule. The first 100 years of British rule in India, that is from 1757 to 1857, were marked by British conquest and rapid expansion of their dominion in India. And the combined effect of British expansionist policies, economic exploitation, and administrative changes adversely affected all the segments of Indian society. So British dominion or British rule affected all the segments of the society, and that too adversely. How? For example, the ruling classes were dispossessed of their power. The peasantry was deprived of its land rights, and the artisans lost their livelihood. सो फ्रेंड्स, जब ब्रिटिशर्स ने अपने एक्सपेंशनिस्ट पॉलिसीज़ और अपने एक्सप्लॉयटेशन स्टार्ट किया तो सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें रूलिंग क्लास इफेक्ट हुआ, क्योंकि किंग्स और जितने उनके अथॉरिटीज़ थे वो सारे उनसे छीन लिए गए, और उसके साथ जो पीजेंट्री थी उसके सारे लैंड राइट्स को भी छीन लिया गया, और जो किंग्स के कोर्ट में आर्टिशंस थे उनकी भी जॉब्स चली गई. तो दस रूलिंग सेक्शन वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद द ब्रिटिश एक्सपेंशनिस्ट पॉलिसीज़ एंड दे रिवोल्टेड अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश एम्पायर. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स, जो मिडिल क्लास थे इंडियन सोसाइटी में, जो मिडिल क्लास थे उन्होंने भी रिवोल्ट किया. The main reason behind the middle class revolted against the British dominion was because they were annoyed of their expulsion from their well-paid higher post in the administration. Men who followed cultural or religious activities like priests and scholars found themselves without income as they lost their patrons. Now friends, जब इंडियन रूलर्स थे उन्हीं की अथॉरिटी चली गई, दे ओनली लॉस्ट देयर अथॉरिटी, दे वर डिस्पोजेस्ड ऑफ देयर पावर. सो इनके पास जॉब्स कहाँ से रहेगी? जो प्रीस्ट थे, कोटिशियंस थे, जो बहुत से पोएट्स थे, बहुत से राइटर्स थे, दे लॉस्ट देयर पेट्रन्स, दे लॉस्ट देयर लाइवलीहुड. दस दे वर नॉट हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड विद द ब्रिटिश डोमिनियन एंड दे रिवोल्टेड अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश रूल. So friends, these were the main reasons behind the dissatisfaction or discontentment among the ruling section and the middle class section. Indian soldiers were also dissatisfied with the British domination, as they were unhappy with their low pay, hard life and ill treatment in the army, as they were ill treated by the British soldiers in the army. Thus, these conditions led to the revolt of 1857 for a mass uprising and the accumulated grievances of the people who burst forth in the form of First War of Independence. Although friends, these were the reasons, but there are some detailed reasons which will read under different subheads. हम लोग उन्हें डिफरेंट सबहेड्स के अंदर पढ़ेंगे और वो रीजंस है, वो रीजंस हमें ये बताते हैं कि व्हाट वर द इंसिडेंट विच वर टेकन बाय ब्रिटिश रूल, कि ऐसा डिससेटिस्फैक्शन क्रिएट हुआ इंडियंस के अंदर और उन्होंने ब्रिटिश रूल या ब्रिटिश डोमिनियन को इंडिया से एक्सपेल करना क्यों चाहा. That what were the main reasons behind the incidents which took place in British rule between these 100 years. उसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.